Hi guys, I'm Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a few exercises that will target the core, which is really good for your posture. This is a 3-part series, so it will include strengthening the core, the front, the sides, the back, and the glutes. So this week I'm going to be target the front part of your core. These are all the muscles that support your spine, and we're going to be also opening up our hips at the same time. We're also going to be working on spine mobility and learning to articulate our spine. So if you feel like you need like a back stretch, this is going to feel really nice. Let's get to it. Let's make our way onto the floor. So we're going to start by mobilizing our pelvis. In this position, you're lying down on your back. Your shoulders are wide and nice and heavy. Your arms are by your side, knees are bent, and hip distance apart. Your hip bones and your pubic bone are nice and square or flat to the ceiling on top of you, and the back of your ribs are touching that. Take a deep breath into the back of your rib. Tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button. Take a deep breath in, and exhale, come back. Inhale. Tilt the pubic bone towards your rib. Exhale, come back. And again. In this position, while you're doing this, you might notice that when you tilt your pelvis towards you, your lower back is touching the mat. Your glutes are still on the floor. To really try and initiate the movement by squeezing your lower obliques to tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button, rather than using your glutes to push your pelvis forward. Last one. Good. On the next one, we're just going to curl up. So inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. As you exhale, slowly start to peel up bone by bone as you come up to a nice shoulder bridge position. Take a breath in at the top. Exhale, slowly start from the sternum first. See if you can lower your mid back. And then your lower back. And then back into the natural spine curve. And again, inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, slowly start to peel up bone by bone as you come up here. Make sure your rib, your hip, and your knees are in one straight line. Exhale. Slowly roll down, bone by bone. Last one. So let's extend our arms up towards the ceiling, palms facing each other. Relax the shoulders. Take a deep breath into the back of your rib. Lengthen the back of the neck, notching the chest. Exhale, you're going to slide your rib towards your hip. Glide your hands down your thigh. Reach out through the fingertips. You're going to be looking at your belly button or between your thigh here. Inhale. Exhale, come all the way back. And again. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, notching the chest. Exhale, slide rib to hip. And again. When you come up, make sure that your pubic bone doesn't tilt forward like this. You want to make sure that it's still in neutral position, and you're literally sliding your rib towards your hip, not your rib towards your hip. Two more. Last one. Perfect. Extend your arms down. From here, we're gonna slowly roll up. So extending your legs out slightly. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, notching the chest. Exhale, slide rib to hip. As you slide up like this, and then glide your hands up your thigh as you curl up, bone by bone. From here, inhale. Exhale, slowly start to roll down. See if you can touch your lower back first onto the ground. And then your mid back. And then your upper back. Head last. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, notching the chest. Exhale, slide rib to hip. Glide your hands up your thigh. Come all the way back. We've got 2 more. So bring your legs out, away from your sit bones, just a little bit. Extend your arms up towards the ceiling. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, no chin to chest. Exhale, slide up as far as you can go. Inhale here. Exhale, slowly come back bone by bone. And again. Last one. Good. Now extend your legs up nice and long. Flex your feet and have them glued together so it's one giant leg. Your spine is in its natural spine curve, so your hip bone and your pubic bone are nice and square or flat to the ceiling. You extend your arms up towards the ceiling. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, no chin to chest. Exhale, you're going to slide up halfway like you just did before, but this time with your legs straight. Inhale. Exhale, slowly roll back bone by bone. And again. Lengthen the back of the neck, no chin to chest. Exhale. Halfway. And come all the way back. 2 more. Last one. Good. On your next, come all the way up. So inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, no chin to chest. Exhale, slide your rib towards your hip. Come all the way up. Make sure that there's space between your chin and your chest. As you come all the way up, you're going to keep this nice round curve in the spine. You're going to reach your hands up towards you. Take a breath in into the back of your ribs. Exhale, slowly roll back bone by bone. So you're trying to see if you can touch lower back onto the floor first. And then your mid back. And then your upper back. Inhale. Lengthen the back of the neck, no chin to chest. Exhale, slide rib to hip as you come all the way up. Reach your arms forward. When you're in this position, though, think about extending your arms out towards the wall in front of you, but then also imagine someone pulling your ribs back this way so you get that stretch in opposition. Your spine is nice and round. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, slowly roll back bone by bone. We've got 2 more. Come all the way up and over. And come back. Notice whether or not you're rolling back on equally on both of your back muscle. The muscles that line either side of your spine as you come all the way back. And relax the arms. So we're just going to finish with a hip roll. So place your right leg on top of your left leg. Extend your arms out nice and wide, T shape. Inhale. Exhale, rotate to your left hand side. See if you connect your knee towards the floor. Exhale, come all the way over to the other side. And over. And swap over. Untwine the leg. And then make yourself up towards the floor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then leave a comment below, like and subscribe to my channel. Next week, I'll be filming a video on also about core strength as well, but this time we're going to be working on our back muscles to strengthen our back. And I'll see you next week.